Welcome to Jiangsu MinWell Steel Structure Co., Ltd. In a world building faster than ever, steel structures are redefining construction speed. Here at our steel structure manufacturing base in China, we make every project faster, safer, and more efficient from design to completion. We operate a complete steel structure production system: design, detailing, fabrication, welding, painting, logistics, and on-site installation support, all in one place, with advanced manufacturing equipment and strict quality control aligned with international standards. We have supplied steel structures to industrial parks, warehouses, stadiums, high-speed railway stations, and many other major global projects. On our intelligent production lines, every H-beam, purlin, and steel component is precisely processed by digital control to ensure millimeter-level accuracy. Automation not only improves efficiency but also guarantees stable and reliable structural performance. Welding is the soul of steel construction. Our certified welding team follows strict international welding standards. Every weld and every connection must pass flaw detection to ensure durability and safety. We offer a variety of solutions to address climate change: sandblasting for rust removal, application of anti-rust paint, hot-dip galvanizing, and application of fire retardant coating with rollers. All components are labeled and packaged according to project specifications to ensure smooth transport and easy installation on site. Our steel structures have been delivered to countries and regions around the world, supporting a variety of large-scale construction projects. From industrial factories to logistics, warehouses, and international infrastructure, we always win trust with quality. We don't just manufacture steel components, we provide complete solutions. From design proposals on detailing drawings to fabrication, delivery, and installation guidance, we support our clients through every step, offering truly worry-free service for overseas projects. Steel structures make construction faster and stronger, and we make steel structures more precise and reliable. If you are looking for a professional steel structure manufacturer from China, contact us today. Let us build a stronger future for your project together.